So hi Kalaminians, I always say that we Cebuanos love our dim sum. And you know what? Our favorite dim sum brand, dim sum chain, is celebrating its 50th year. And you know what? This coming November 29, they will have their last grand blowout for their 50th anniversary, where every item, where every dim sum, steam rice, the fried dim sum, the steamed dim sum is only at 50 pesos here. It's basically that one. That's it. So that's on November 29. Every item is only 50 pesos. So you can enjoy your dim sum favorites for only that price. So today, I'm gonna show you what you can eat here at Dimsum Break.
Settle down, but until then, we're like a hurricane.
So my favorites normally here is gonna be steamed rice, of course. But we also have your steamed items like dim sum, like siomai, hataw, even siopao. But also for the fried items, I really love the spring rolls here. They're sweet and sour. Even the chicken feet. So there's so many choices here. And imagine it's only 50 pesos. It's like they're giving away like around 30% discount on items. So it's gonna be worth it. And today I'm gonna have a dim sum lunch. So that you can also do it today, November 29th, because it's gonna be really worth it.
Don't know how you making me feel this way, what can I say? That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Real things have to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away our sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a
So muna guys, nami kay dim sum right for lunch or dinner. So November 29, 50 pesos sa tanang items. Ito mga steam items, itong fried items, plus ang mga imong paboritong steam rice. 50 pesos lang sa tanang Dimsum Break branches in Cebu. So go to the great blowout now. It's your last chance, November 29, 2019. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you sa Dimsum Break.